Hey everyone. So in this Screencastify session, I'm going to be running you through simply how to create a Facebook page. So you have two different options that you can do. This one specifically is maybe for, like the specials teams or anybody teaching a class where you don't necessarily want a group of people. You just want a page where you can post information. So that is by creating a page. If you create a group, that would be something more along the lines of what a lot of the elementary teachers have, where it's private groups where only the parents that are in the class can access that group. So you have two different options to decide which one you would like to use. So this is going to be done on your Facebook page because you are the one who is in charge of the page or the group. And you're going to go up to create, and you can either click on page or group. For this one, we're going to create a page. And you have the option to choose business or brand or community or public figure. We're going to choose community since this is going to be something that can reach out to the community members. This is not necessarily you being in charge of something. So I could say DES Music, whoops, those aren't capitalized. DES Music, there we go. Add a category, education. All right, then you would hit continue. It's gonna load. It's gonna take its time. All right, now you can go through all of the steps that you would like. You can add a profile picture. You can add, we're going to skip it just so we can kind of get through this a little quickly. You can add a cover photo, very similar to a personal Facebook page. We're going to skip that for right now since I don't have any of those. And so this is what the page would look like. Now, obviously, it's going to send you through all of the, hey, you should invite people. Hey, you should create this. Hey, you should add this to your page. And you can choose to do that now. You can choose to do it later. I'm not going to invite anybody to the page right now. But essentially the first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to, customize all of the things that you want to do with the page, right? So I'm not going to add any automatic responses, but in here you now have your home where you can literally post like, hey, this is the new DES music page. Wow, music page. And then you would hit post. And obviously you can include photos, videos. If you happen to create an introduction video, a welcome back video, that's where you can post it here. You can include feelings, I'm super excited, or anything like that. And if you do not want to publish it right now, if you want to publish it later, you could hit schedule and all of that fun stuff. So we're going to delete that for right now. So post, this is just like a Facebook page where you're going to include all of your posts. Visitor post, if anybody happens to log on to your page and post something to it or tag like that, this is where it will show up. And it's run very similar to a personal Facebook page. You can create a page username. Usually, if I do that, the username is the same as the title of the page. So, for example, my beginning band Facebook page is DES Beginning Band, and the username is DES Beginning Band, same as before. So the thing that you want to think about is the about section. So this is going to be all the information where you're like, hey, this is going to be available from this time to this time. This is an educational website, and you can start it now if you would like. Enter website if you have a personal, website for what you're doing that you want to link to this, you can. You do not have to. You don't have to enter an email if you don't want to. You can really make this as personalized or not personalized as you would like. The about info. This is going to be really important for your page because, you want to make sure that people know that they're in the right spot. So, this is Miss Gray's music page for Delta Elementary School. I mean, something as simple as that, or whatever you want to write in that spot there. So you definitely want to fill out the about section. And any other things, you don't have to necessarily fill that out right now. But basically your page is live. I mean, people can search it. People for this especially, it's not like the normal, like the personal Facebook accounts where you have to send a request. It's a simple like. Somebody comes and likes the page and now they follow it and it'll show up on their feed. So, and again, you can customize it as much as you would like. I know that my beginning band Facebook page is linked to the Delta Elementary School Facebook page. So, like, for example, Mrs. Hooten can, share all of the things that I post very easily because both of those site pages are connected. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, I would definitely communicate with the secretaries about that. Like, don't just send it to them. Make sure they know that you're going to do that. And you can go from there. You can start posting. We're going to go to the home page. It's going to take its sweet time loading. Maybe we'll click on post. Oh, that moved faster. Cool. So I can write a post. I can say, hey, like, here is, whatever you want to say. And it's very simple. The page is set up and bam, you are done. So this was a quick tutorial on how to create a Facebook page. I'm going to try and do one on Facebook groups next. So thanks for watching. See you later.